Okay, here's Bob back at the tool shop. I've mounted the Samsung drive, we showed that, and I've mounted the second Raspberry Pi to the other carrier board. I'll put the micro SD card in there. It's got a nice little click to it. I think that's pretty reasonable. And I'll do a little bit of boot up acid test here. So there's the hard drive. There is USB 3. That doesn't do anything for us. And 3 amps is more than enough to run this. And again, you're going to have a really hard time seeing those LEDs do anything. So the power LED is on, and the activity light is blinking away there. And there's the hard drive light. Okay. I'll just kind of watch and see. There we go. So hard drive access. And a couple more things going on. And go over here to Safari. And see if everything comes up. Sometimes it takes a few seconds because I cleared caches and stuff on this machine earlier today, so we'll see what happens, but I'm pretty confident that this will come all the way up. So there we go. There's the Logitech Media Server. Now, have to decide what order I'm going to put things in. Now I think it's fairly obvious now that I look at it. This board, this will go on the bottom. This will go here. There'll be a space. I won't put the third one in. And then the fourth one will be the, maybe I'll put the third one in and just leave it blank just for stability. So there we go. I think we're up and running. Still waiting for Safari to do its thing here. Well, something's going on. It's not finding the network. We'll see if we can figure that out before we go too much further. You guys probably don't need to watch me debug this. So let me pause this